Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the 2025 365 Conquest by Boston Whaler, first one in Texas. This is becoming one of my favorite vessels that we sell here. There's literally nothing you can't do with this boat. It's just a wonderful boat for overnighting, fishing, scuba diving, entertaining, you name it. Powered by the mighty V12 Verados on the back, a 600 horsepower Mercs. I like the way they put the grill on the back of the boat back here. We have a nice wet bar. Still have our bait well for fishing. We still have fish boxes in the floor, one on each side. We've got a great dive door on the side with an additional ladder. We also have one on the back. We've got a jump seat that folds down here out of the side. We've got another seat nicely tucked away in here. And even this seat can flip-flop and give you a great seat for trolling. We've got a drawer here with a bolster cushion on it. We've got a pull-out here for footrest for this person. And you'll notice we've got the sure shade on here, plus full glass enclosure with big sliding glass windows, and all that's air conditioned. Come on aboard, I want to show you some of the other great features. Okay, on the starboard side here, we've got ample storage for all your tackle and gear. Even got a nice bucket for your chum, tool holder. Once again, we mentioned this flip-flop seat. It's really well appointed with some nice glossy teak. Great folding table. This table will actually lower, and this port side helm can actually become another bed if you need it. And you'll notice also that we've got the third screen on here. 1, 2, 3 huge Simrad screens on this boat. Check out the skylight. This boat is equipped with a seatkeeper, joystick drive. It's real easy for one person to operate, even though it's over a 36-foot boat. You'll notice in the front, if you can look through the windshield there, we've got some really nice sun loungers with built-in cup holders. So this is a boat where you can utilize every square inch of it. But some of the best is yet to come. Let's check out the cabin down below. You'll notice some really nice lighting we have, and a beautiful cabinetry. We've got a huge bed area in the back here, and then this front V berth. If you'll notice, it's kind of in a V, where you flip a couple of switches, the table goes down, the bed closes. So you can have twin beds, you can have one big bed, so it'll accommodate anybody in your family. Built-in rod holders, storage everywhere. Anywhere there's a void, we have storage. Got a nice TV on board. Love the head compartment on here. It's actually a dry head. You'll notice there's lots of space in the head compartment, set up really nicely. And this boat with the air conditioning going is such a joy to be aboard. It's also, of course, heated for you northern climates. And y'all need to come check this boat out. Like I said, it's the first one in Texas, and we'd be glad to show it to you. It's an awesome vessel. Whaler really outdid themselves on this. And just like all whalers, it's an unsinkable legend. My name's Paul. Come see us.